Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to grease the watch gasket on your Casio G-Shock watch, on your G-Shock watch, or on your watch in general. So as you can see right here, I have the watch gasket, which is only cleaned. So I'm going to use a wet wipe in order to clean it. And then after cleaning, I'm going to need one of these in order to grease it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools, including to this one, in order for you to be able to grease your watch gasket. Then I'm going to close it, rotate a little, and then voila, the watch gasket has been greased. Now I'm going to take it and place it right here, and voila, that is how you grease your watch gasket. And we are going to place it back in its position, and then I'm going to reassemble the watch back together. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on your Casio watch, G-Shock watch, on this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide, so from start to finish, the full tutorial, and also to all the tools that I normally use, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.